To set up recurring buys on Coinbase, start by logging into your Coinbase account and navigating to the buy and sell page. From here, select the cryptocurrency you want to purchase and the payment method you will be using. Next, click on the Repeat This Buy option, which can be found below the amount you are buying. This will open up a new window where you can customize your recurring buy settings. Here, you can choose how often you want to make a purchase, with options including daily, weekly, bi-weekly, and monthly. You can also select the amount you want to spend each time, either by entering a specific amount or by choosing a percentage of your available balance. After setting up your recurring buy, review the details to ensure everything is correct, including the frequency and amount of your purchases, as well as the payment method being used. Once you have confirmed your settings, click Confirm to finalize your recurring buy. You will then receive a confirmation email from Coinbase, and your recurring buys will begin according to your specified schedule. It is essential to regularly review your recurring buys to ensure they are still aligned with your investment goals and budget. You can do this by going to the Accounts page and clicking on the Recurring Buys tab, where you can view and manage all of your active recurring buys. By following these steps, you can easily set up recurring buys on Coinbase and start building a consistent investment habit. Remember to always prioritize risk management and only invest what you can afford to lose. Recurring buys can be a great way to reduce the impact of market volatility and timing risks, as they allow you to make regular purchases regardless of the market conditions. Overall, setting up recurring buys on Coinbase is a straightforward process that can help you achieve your investment goals and simplify your cryptocurrency investing experience.